Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Sovana 4D DualPro massage chair. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it's going to be in two separate boxes. The larger of the two boxes contains the main body of the chair. The long, medium-sized box contains two side arm panels. The only tools required for this assembly is an M8 hex key and a Phillips head screwdriver, which both come included within the accessory box. Let's start with the larger box. Cut away the plastic straps. Then lift the top of the box straight up and set aside. Now let's remove any protective packaging surrounding the chair. Once you have uncovered the main body of the chair, unwrap the plastic and fold it toward the bottom of the tray. Now locate and remove the accessory box out of the top of the chair. In the accessory box, we have the remote tablet, the tablet holder, one power cord, an M8 hex key, a Phillips head screwdriver, spare fuses, 4 small screws, 6 bolts, spare air pipe connector, 2 plastic bushings, 6 small washers, the assembly guide, a quick start guide, the user manual, and lastly, the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Now let's remove the footrest and gently place it on the floor. Then remove the remaining chair packaging. This next step will require some assistance. With a partner, lift the chair up out of the tray while one foot is holding down the plastic to fully remove the chair from the bottom tray. Next, connect the chair power cord to a grounded electrical outlet, then turn the main power switch on the back side of the base of the chair to the off position. Plug the power cord into the respective port, then turn the main power switch back on. Your chair will now reset and move to its upright position. When it is finished, turn the main power switch off. Now remove the tablet from the accessory box and place it on the seat pad. Locate the cord port on the right side of the chair, then connect it to the tablet's cord. Be sure to carefully align the notch and pins, then push the two cords together. Twist on the cord cap to secure the connection. Next, in the medium-sized box, take out both side arm panels and place them on the correct sides of the chair. Place the side panel containing the health monitor on the right of the chair, and the panel containing the quick access buttons and dial on the left side of the chair. Now, starting from the bottom, unzip both the left and right shoulder airbags, about halfway. The next step of the assembly is to start attaching arms onto the chair. Let's start with the right arm panel. Locate the air hose and electrical plug on the arm panel and the air port and electrical connector on the chair body. Firmly clip the electrical plug into the corresponding port. Then firmly connect the air hose to the air port. Be sure to seat the hose all the way onto the port. On the inside of the panel, we can see the arm panel clip, and on the chair body rail that the clip will rest on. Carefully lift the arm and slide the clip onto the rail on the main frame of the chair until it hooks into place. Check the bottom front of the panel for correct bolt hole alignment and reposition if necessary. Now let's insert the bolts with washers to secure the panel into place. Start with the first bolt in small washer and insert it into its position through the shoulder airbag. Tighten with the provided hex key. Now install the second bolt and washer into the spot near the foot of the chair. Repeat this process on the other side of the chair. With the arms securely in place, zip both shoulder airbags back up. Now it's time to attach the footrest. Bring the footrest close to the foot of the chair. As you can see here, there are 2 electrical plugs and 1 air nozzle that will need to be connected to their appropriate connection ports. Plug the small and big electrical plugs into their corresponding ports, and then the air hose to the corresponding nozzle. Be sure to fully seat the air hose onto its nozzle. Before mounting the footrest, lift the hook insert covers and then place the plastic bushings over each footrest axle. Now lift the footrest and place the footrest axles into the hook inserts. Next, using 2 screws, flip down the axle covers and secure each side of the footrest axle. Screw to tighten. Now it's time to mount the remote tablet. Remove the bolt from the tablet base and replace it with the tablet holder. The bolt can be discarded. Screw the tablet holder into place and tighten. Then slide the tablet into the tablet holder. Next, fold back the chair back cushion and back pillow, then find the zippers inside the chair body corresponding to the seat cushion. Fold down the seat cushion, then zipper it to the chair body, starting with the side zippers. Then the front. Be sure to zipper all 3 all the way. Then zipper the closure between the footrest and the chair's body. Fold back the back cushion and neck pillow. To familiarize yourself with the tablet remote control, use your phone to scan the QR code printed on the remote tablet's screen film packaging. This will take you to the Infinity website, where you can watch a video tutorial on all the tablet remote features and functions of your new premium massage chair. Scroll down the page to find the Sovana 4D DualPro remote tutorial. Toggle the main power switch back on, then remove the film cover and press the power button on the top right edge of the tablet to wake the screen. Read and accept the warning screen, then run an auto program to ensure that everything is working properly. If everything is working properly, feel free to take a seat and relax. Enjoy your new Sovana 4D DualPro massage chair, and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.